The Witch Sisters.
Dog.
This is the Witch Sisters castle. Let's go inside and say hello. Hello, Witch Sisters. Is anyone there?
1 second, we'll be right with you.
What about Big Witch Sister?
Well, we're looking for my pet warthog's favorite squeaky toy. We can't find it anywhere. I think we need to stop looking. Why are you crying, little witch sister?
That's my favorite squeaky toy, too.
Okay, we can look some more.
Yahoo!
You know, dogs can find things by using their very good sense of smell.
I did not know that.
Too bad we don't have a dog to help us.
Dog, you say? I'll be right back. Handful of witch dust. Pinch of love. Pull up donut. Magic brew, do what you do. Make my spell turn out well. I'll spell dog 3 times and then, oh boy, I'll use my dog nose to find that squeaky toy.
Dog is spelled D-O-G.
Dog. L-O-G.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Sure am. Dog. L-O-G.
Maybe you should try a different first letter.
Dog. L-O-G. I am not a dog.
D-O-G spells dog. L-O-G spells log.
Thanks so much. Now I have to roll.
It's the next day. Let's check in with the Witch Sisters.
Woo! We found the squeaky toy after all. Dr. Cheryl, my pet warthog, had it all along.
The most wonderful thing happened. I sprouted mushrooms. I'm beautiful.
Aw, you are. But, poof! Now you are even more beautiful.
Yay!